the major prophet kum chacha. On say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH. On say me kan ye nyene bone pa na kase ye pe wo wiase ya asondin. Asondin ti na Adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no. Wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ni ade. Kat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na wo subscribe a na wo benya ne ma pe a wo pe ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ura.
For me, my obibia aqua by the Batuma GH, Emunia by Messi, Carmen, Nelly, so me did you me day, Bama Ponoson, a year in somewhere Ababeto Johnny say, in lane say Ghana, election year, just say, and bring it Bubana, Buboba, a few days, 12 days, not just yet the election, 7th December 2020 election. She so no, I'm communicators, baby, and then from one radio station to another, Obia air train to media, just almost be and ya almost plans, almost so almost exercises, and ya make ya don't say, your mom power, no more na akonyaswa. Na ye learning say a program Kasibi aye Koso Angel TV, nya wo dimu akotenepa Captain Smart. I want only dear and the program now why I'm not powerful. Just say, no, what kind of credit program this was say, won't show now I can't send ya who administration be send ya air corner. Sana what can send. Na a year day a year surprise revelation via a year Captain Smart I say a year lawyer Sammy Jane Fia Ghana ha ye name so your communication director Emma NDC party no why no one declaration be na then say mo what can say lawyer Sammy Jane Fino na one no we obi a che say dodo na cassette an wo Ghana ye name MPP New Patriotic Party just say one no dani da one mo kasa etia lawyer Sammy Jane Fino lawyer Sammy Jane Fino so ye communicator Emma NDC ti one also dani da wo kasa etia MPP communicator just say we brew into no there wa jini din wa Ghana ha so disrespectful or ye aggressive Emma the party just say din awaje there Ghana ha bebre na say temu po ni video bi ebe sin ye be circulate wo man mu ana just say ase the interviews bebre a work on debate no ye end up with a fight and I say they leave complaint say Sammy Jane Fino lawyer Sammy Jane Fino lawyer Sanchez ni din Ghana ha there say wo be hwe video na course there na nia wo be classify and say ni din there I say kwana so ne dey say na me CD kan no Nana Captain Smart in someone walk fan on say lawyer Sammy Jane Fino just say ye can communicators or ye the best now one only nipa bino the intelligence and the nipa bino or ye very good ye to me if I will be compare no MPP afa and NDC afa camper still ye to me if I will be compare no now what can say ye MPP communication director crampona nimpona just communication in nine so no bono and Mr. Sammy Jane Fee and Temumpona na papa na nkasa na se we melo as a debate in Kosua Sammy Jane Fee so loud send ya do na so loud na fe so any someone what can see so on point na tie for send your channel say ma memfa entu ja emma say no channel see if you look at the chain of communicators the NDC has had Sammy Jane Fee has been very outspoken, Mami Sanfabi. Or see, if you look at the chain of communicators that the NDC has had, Sammy Jane Fee has been very outspoken. he is outstanding and far better than the rest. Yeah, Semo, and yeah, Sem, the year Captain Smart, Quack of Fabio Patches said, yeah, Mr. Sammy Jemfi, lawyer Sammy Jemfi, send a do don't any mono, just so you're good that other communicators, a year NDC, a bino afape, now in some way. Yeah, to us way. Now, was that to just say, Captain Smart went further to state that even the director of communication for the ruling party, that New Patriotic Party, no, Yabuaben Asamoah, finds it difficult to stand Sammy Jemfi's debate. And I'm seeing them in some two journal, and what patches, even MPP, a year communication director. New Pomeka bonus or a year, lawyer Sammy Jemfi, a shiampa debate monotimos and want to me fan the papa. Now, what was he argued that Mr. Boabeng could be flawed by Sammy Jemfi if they ever call the two to debate on politics. Na anso a obaje se omo bi enu no ye mo betena se a utimi hu se ya na Mr. Boabeng ni samo no hu se ntisi so like say dey say osi flow ni say dey osi make point no ya na ye lawyer Sammy Jemfi na no abro ni so na was that to us say I want to retract that if you like dare them to challenge Sammy on the left and Boabeng on the right. Now we just say I want calling for a you debate no. Or see we don't retracting in some na work and I say waka kwa DJ intokwa omopa omo de omo mienu no say no si kan in some no. Ye mo mienu ne betina say na ye mfa debate bi en hihye so na ye nhwe say na work and say no kre ana say enye no kre. Na etiefo ne ahwefo mo hwe say na ye Nana Smart, Captain Smart can someone. Na eno anu no ana free say in name say lawyer Sammy Jemfi krampo born a cheap papa na just say show ni course na wo can some say NGO TV the program na wo ye no bias just say they should be fair acquire some bo NDC administration na cheap papa just send ya omobo MPP administration no na ni jumedie na so eniemo na Captain Smart no obo adwuma ni jumedie ni so eni na emo sa bias na ono ohun wechire ana ofele se esi no ebeya ankomutimi si sanyomemu na show no enye clear na enye fair since say like osusu say ono lawyer Sammy Jemfi susu say eye bias chese enkoye na ni name no o hwese na ensem ni sikoye na Mr. Nana Captain Smart can ensem say first ne kwampo no kwa say na na susu fa lawyer Sammy Jemfi ho no sesi anu mo hu say there be oye beyond say no susu wa dina to mu prekope wo hwe say na osika nsem wa dwen kire wo ho anything na afeng so ehu be hia say wo be ja wa dwen kire we your comment section wo de amaye wo subscribe ya so abo mo da na wa subscribe say de be ya ye di dwumedie bi atumu a don ne boy na won so won say betumi akebi na watumi akire wa adwen na wo like na wo share the promote channel way de maye and then so emu ni aba mesika and am di dwumedie ba so mu aha and em rebe ma me kwan na me demo esida so ne ye be san ehia makwa mo